Okay, so we will take a look at this cool Certina DS watch. I will not give this one a service at the moment. It keeps perfect time, super good values in the time grapher, but I will change the glass of this one, so we will take a little closer look on that one, because this one is really bad, in bad shape. So I'm sorry, let's take a little. So we have this should be close enough a bit. We'll open this like this now. Here you go. Remember, be careful there, because if you're not careful you might actually bend the hands. I did that before. I always think the new glasses, they have a tendency to be very dirty. Like you can see some and this is completely new with a tension ring. Super important to have the tension ring there. Armeringsring på svenska. So let's see here. So we will take a closer look now. Okay. See. There. And here we have the new glass for it. In a couple of months I might give this one a service, but not now. Now it's just a new glass for it. Thank you so much for watching.